Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to look at Excel 2019 overview. Excel 2019 is the latest version which is available in the market. Now we are going to see how to launch new Excel workbook. Keep your cursor, right click, go to new and click Microsoft Excel. Then double click. So now we got the new Excel workbook. There are other ways to launch Microsoft Excel. Let me show you that as well. Go to Start menu, scroll down. So here we have Excel, click and open. Or you can go to search bar, type Excel. So you got the Excel, just click. This is a Microsoft Excel homepage where we have blank workbook in case if you want to have a new Excel workbook, so you can click this. Also we have some inbuilt Microsoft Excel tutorial which are too detailed, also it's very difficult to understand. And also we have recent workbooks which are used, and also in case if you want a new workbook you can click this, or if you want to open any existing workbook you can click open. Okay, in this case I want new workbook, I'll go here or I'll go to home, I'll double click. So now I got the Microsoft Excel new workbook. Let me give a high level overview of each options. In the coming session we'll see each and every option in a detail level. Let me start with left corner. So this is the quick access toolbar. This will be used for the Excel shortcuts. And then this is the Excel ribbon, so where we have various menu option, file, home, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data, review, view and help. Let me go to the first option, file. Here we have home, new. In case if you want to create a new workbook you can use this, or if you want to open any existing workbook you can click open. Or if you want to know about the workbook information, like let me open any existing workbook. So let me open this file. Okay, so go to file, info. So I will get the complete detail about the file. So here you can see the last modify and the name. And the next option is save. So in case if you want to save the file you can use this. Or save as is creating another copy of the same file, which we will see in the coming session. Or if you want to print any document, or if you want to share this file with anyone, you can use share. Also you can export this file as PDF or text. And publish is basically to publish the data to Power BI, so that you can use. Or if you want to close the workbook you can close it. Let me go to another menu, home. In Microsoft Excel, all the basic stuff kept in the home button. So home button generally used for all formatting related stuff. If you see here, so selecting the font and font size, bold, italic, underline, border, fill color, font color, and the left, right, center alignment, merge cell, and numbers, comma, separated, reduce decimal, conditional formatting, format table, insert or delete cell, and format row, height, column. So all formatted related items which are placed in the home button. Also we have few basic options like cut, copy, paste. So these options also kept in the home button. Let's move to insert button. This is one of the important menu bar where we have pivot table, table in case if you want to insert shapes, or if you want to insert a chart or line. So this is quite important. So let's move to the third option, draw. This option basically used to highlight, so anything if you want to highlight, so you can highlight here. Let me do Control Z. And the next option is the page layout. So page layout option used for page setup, like in case if you want to apply any themes, let's go to some data. So in case if I want to apply any theme for the data, so it will change, it will apply by default theme. And if you want to change the color, or if you want to set up margin, so these options are basically used for the print. When you print the document, you'll use this page setup. And also you have views, headings, in case if you want headings, grid lines. So these options are placed in the page layout. So this is more to do with the page and printing. Let's move on to formula tab. In the formula tab, most of the options are related to formulas. So here you can see functions library. So here you have all the function: financial, logical, text, date and time, lookup, and we have more functions here. And also define name, create a formula range for the name. Here we have formula editing, and also we have calculation options. Let's move on to data. This is also one of the important menu option. So where we have in case if I want to export data from export or import data to here you can import the data from Access or text or web, and you can refresh the data. And also you have sort, filter and advanced filter. Also you have text to column and whatever analysis, grouping and ungrouping. Let's move on to next option, review. In review, mostly used for data protection. So we have protect sheet, workbook, and also to insert and delete command. So mainly we use only these two. And then let's move on to view option. View option is more to do with page view. So how do you want to view your page? So either like in case if you want grid lines, you can have grid lines, or if you want headings, so you can also zoom, you can increase the size, and you have freeze span to freeze the header. So these are the things we have in view. And then help. So help mostly used for in case if you stuck anywhere, like in case I want to know something, or I want to know about any specific formula or Excel shortcut, you can go to help and you can type like Excel keyboard shortcut. So here you get keyboard shortcut in Excel. So here you can see the shortcuts. So wherever you need help, probably you can go to Excel help and you can get it, or if you want to know about any specific function, about some function. So some function you can click and you can learn. So it's quite difficult here, okay, but still it will really helpful when you do this. So these are the options we have. We also have some other option. Let me show you how to add. Go to file and go to option. So in this option, let me start with general. So these are the basic options. So when you have Excel, so what font you want to have by default in Excel, or what size you want, font size, and also view on how many pages you want. Whenever you insert a new workbook, how many pages you want, like here I have one, so let me insert 3. So post this, whenever I insert a new workbook, so I'll have 3 sheets. And go to formula. These are related to formula, so you can use. Let me go to customize ribbon. So here if you see developer tab, so which is unticked. Developer tab is mostly used for the VBA programming or creating macro, so that let me tick. And also power pivot, this is also by default unticked, so that also select. So now if you see developer and power pivot, so both I got it here. So now I can use it. In case if you don't want any specific tab, in case if I don't want draw, I'm not going to use it, just go here, click option, go to customize ribbon, and then you can take out the draw. So now I won't get it. So you can keep only whatever option you use frequently, you can keep it there. Rest all you can remove it. Let me add the draw button. Okay, and then in Excel, so we so far we have seen Excel menu bar. So we also have the other things like this is a sheet, so you can add a number of sheets in Excel, and these are called as cells. Let me remove this. Okay, so these are called as cell. So each and everything called as cell, and wherever you have alphabets, so these are called as column, and wherever you have number, these are called as row, and group of cells called as range or array. Okay, if it is only one, it's cell. If it is group of cell, that's called as range or array. Hope you learn new things in Excel. So let's move on to next options.